Hello and welcome back to Single Malt Lover. If you're new to the channel, my name is Rajwal and I post videos weekly on how to do easy cocktails at home. Well, this time it's not been weekly, as you know it's Christmas season. I'm jam-packed with things to do. Anyway, let's get to the video. So this video is basically based on how to do the three most famous and easy blended cocktails that you can do at home. If you're hosting a party, well, that's going to be perfect. So let's get started. So today's first cocktail is going to be a pina colada. This cocktail is based with rum, white rum, dark rum, pineapple juice and coconut cream and ice. So take your blender and add some ice in it. Add about 40 ml of your white rum. When it comes to white rum or dark rum, you can use any preferred spirits that you have at home. I'll be using a Bacardi when it comes to mine. Add your pineapple juice. And add your coconut cream. And just blend it. Okay, there you go. That's your nice frozen pina colada. Okay, now you can use any preferred glass that you have at home. I'll be using this one for my pina colada. So you can pour it directly in. It may be a bit difficult, so you can use a bar spoon for it. Once it's in the glass, you add about 20 ml of your dark rum just to float it over it. There you go. Make sure you mix it while you drink it. You might end up drinking the rum later. So to complete the drink, all you need is the garnish. I'll be garnishing it with a pineapple. And 2 pineapple leaves. There you go. Cheers. That's your pina colada. Your frozen pina colada. Moving on to the next cocktail, that's a frozen strawberry daiquiri. This cocktail is based with strawberries. If you have fresh strawberries, that would be great, or else you could use a crush or a syrup. So fresh strawberries, white rum and simple syrup. So again, take your blender, add some ice. Add about 60 ml of your white rum. $20 ml or more accordingly to your strawberries. Sometimes your strawberries can be sour, so you gotta add more of your simple syrup. If it's sweet enough, then you basically don't need your simple syrup. So in my case, my strawberries are a bit sour, so I'll be adding about 20 ml of the simple syrup. There you go. And last but not the least, to add your freshly diced strawberries. There you go. Then just give it a nice blend. There you go. A nice and slushy frozen strawberry daiquiri. So again, you could use any preferred glass that you have at home. When it comes to my daiquiri, I'll be using this glass. So just pour it in. Wow. There you go. And to complete your drink, well, you could use a fresh strawberry if you don't have that, or if you don't have fresh strawberries for your cocktail. Like I said, you could use a crush, and if you don't have strawberries for a garnish, you could use a lime or a lemon. Well, to mine, I'll be using. Okay, there you go. And cheers! That's your frozen strawberry daiquiri. Enjoy. Moving on to the next cocktail, that's the frozen margarita. This cocktail is based with tequila, triple sec, and your freshly squeezed lime juice. So let's get started. Take your blender again, add some ice. Add about 40 ml of your tequila. When it comes to tequila, again, you could use any preferred spirits that you have at home. The same with triple sec. That's, you gotta add 20 ml of it. There you go. And now you add a freshly squeezed lime juice. So take your lime, just give it a nice little squeeze or something. There you go. And a dash of lime cordial if you have. Wow, this is nice and frozen, guys. Okay, there you go. So you can just put it in your glass right now. There you go. Wow. So to garnish your drink, you can just use your lime peel. Guys, you gotta drink this cocktail real quick. If it's hot there by you, it's gonna melt. And add the strawberry. There you go. Cheers. That's your frozen margarita. Oh, that's melting. Anyway, guys. Thanks for watching. Leave a like if you like the video. Don't forget to drop me a comment below. Let me know what you want to see in my next video. And don't forget to smash the subscribe button. Until then, peace and enjoy.